Here are all the accessories after unpacking. Let's introduce them one by one. Firstly, installing the sun shield. Carefully snap onto the display main host. Take out the bracket. Use the screw holes on the bracket to align with the screw holes on the display. Then install the screws. Turn around and do the same on the other side. A total of 4 screws need to be installed. Next, the antenna is installed. The antenna allows for a more stable wireless connection between the monitor and the camera. We have now completed the assembly.